Hey there, crypto fans, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. This is a place where beginners like you and I can do some research and learn all about the many different cryptocurrencies and altcoins together. So, today, we're going to learn all about Cosmos and the project behind the name. So let's dive in and take a peek at what Cosmos is all about. So, Cosmos is actually, if we're looking at the coin, it's actually titled Atom, A-T-O-M, but the project is actually called Cosmos. But anyway, on CoinMarketCap, it's currently rated at number 26, so it's a pretty popular coin as of right now. It is currently trading for $8.28, and it is currently up 18% on price. But this video is not about price. This video is about the project, and us trying to learn about what Cosmos is and what the project actually is. So, I'm a beginner just like you guys, so let's learn about what Cosmos is all about. So, according to CoinMarketCap, in a nutshell, Cosmos bills itself as a project that solves some of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer an antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful proof-of-work protocols, like those used by Bitcoin, by offering an ecosystem of connected blockchains. The project's other goals include making blockchain technology less complex and difficult for developers thanks to a modular framework that demystifies decentralized apps. Last but not least, an inter-blockchain communication protocol makes it easier for blockchain networks to communicate with each other, preventing fragmentation in the industry. Cosmos' origins can be dated back to 2014, when Tendermint, a core contributor to the network, was founded. In 2016, a white paper for Cosmos was published, and a token sale was held the following year. Atom tokens are earned through a hybrid proof-of-stake algorithm, and they help to keep the Cosmos Hub, the project's flagship blockchain, secure. This cryptocurrency also has a role in the network's governance. So, what makes Cosmos unique? Well, a major concern for some in the crypto industry centers on the levels of fragmentation seen in blockchain networks. There are hundreds in existence, but very few of them can communicate with each other. Cosmos aims to turn this on its head by making this possible. Cosmos is described as Blockchain 3.0, and, as we mentioned earlier, a big goal is ensuring that its infrastructure is straightforward to use. To this end, the Cosmos Software Development Kit focuses on modularity. This allows a network to be easily built using chunks of code that already exist. Long term, it's hoped that complex applications will be straightforward to construct as a result. So I want to go back to it allows a network to be easily built using chunks of code that already exists. That kind of reminds me of, I used to be a front-end web developer back in the day, like 7 years ago, and I remember building, this kind of reminds me of like building web components with like React or something like that. You're already using basically chunks of code that already exist to, fill in the overall project. But anyway, scalability is another priority, meaning substantially more transactions can be processed a second than more old-fashioned blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum. If blockchains are to ever achieve mainstream adoption, they'll need to be able to cope with demand as well as existing payment processing companies or websites, or even better. So, let's see how many Atom coins, or Cosmos coins, Atom, whatever, coins are currently in circulation. So, Atom has a very specific total supply, 260,906,513 to be exact. Of these, at the time that CoinMarketCap wrote this, about 203,120,910 were in circulation. It is worth noting that these cryptocurrencies aren't mined. Instead, they are earned through staking. 2 private sales were held in January 2017, followed by a public sale in April of that year. This raised a total of $16 million, which is the equivalent of about $10 per atom. 10 cents per atom. Breaking down the token distribution, about 80% was allocated to investors, while the remaining 20% was split between two companies, All in Bits and the Interchain Foundation. Cosmos has compared atom tokens to the ASICs that are used to mine Bitcoin. As a technical paper written by the Tendermint team explained, it is a piece of virtualized hardware, economic capital, that you need to obtain in order to participate as a keeper in the network. All right, so now that we've read about what CoinMarketCap has to say about it, I still, I'll be honest with you here, I still don't really understand what this one's all about. It's not one of those projects where, it doesn't seem like it's one of those projects where an end user, regular people like you and I could use on a daily basis. It sounds like it's something more for, developers or something like that. So we're going to keep reading. We're going to check out their website and see if we can't dig out any more information about what Cosmos is all about. So here's their website. We're just going to go down the list and see what we can find on their website. See if we can, do some research and figure it out. So, the foundation for a new token economy. Join the most scalable, customizable ecosystem of connected blockchains. All right. Cosmos solves today's hardest blockchain problems. Scalability, proof of work protocols are slow, expensive, unscalable, and environmentally harmful. Okay. Tendermint BFT fixes this. Okay. Usability, blockchain applications are complex and difficult to understand for developers. The Cosmos SDK fixes that problem. Okay. Interoperability, blockchain economies are siloed and cannot transfer assets between each other. The IBC protocol fixes that. Okay. Launch your application-specific blockchain today. Our SDK is the first ever modular framework for developers to quickly and easily build custom blockchains in Go. Go is it's like a programming language. So, okay, Stargate. The Internet of Blockchains is on the horizon. Stargate is a set of upgrades that complete the original roadmap laid out in the Cosmos white paper. For the first time ever, Cosmos blockchains will be able to connect with each other. Okay? All right, so what I'm reading so far, it sounds more and more like Cosmos is definitely built for developers rather than end users. It's more of a platform for developers rather than an end product for users, for everyday users like us. So we're gonna click on what is Cosmos and see what they have to say on here, and after that we'll finish off the video. Introduction. Strictly speaking, Cosmos is a decentralized network of independent parallel blockchains, each powered by BFT consensus algorithms like Tendermint consensus. Okay. In other words, Cosmos is an ecosystem of blockchains that can scale and interoperate with each other. Before Cosmos, blockchains were siloed and unable to communicate with each other. Okay, we already read that on the last page. What is a blockchain? Okay, I guess we can... How far down does this go? Alright, we'll read a little bit of this, and we'll read a little bit of each, of each little section here, I guess, and see... You know what? Actually, I don't think we're going to. This is more technical than I thought it was going to be, and honestly, it's beyond my scope of understanding, personally. So, if you guys want to know more about this coin and you want to get into the technical aspects of it, feel free to do so. Just go to cosmos.network. But, since my channel is all about, since this channel, Altcoin Radar, is all about trying to figure out, we're all trying to learn together. We're all beginners here. Most of us are. We should be anyway. That's what my channel's for. We're trying to figure out what these coins are for, what these projects are for, what they do. This one, unfortunately, like many others that I've done in the past, it seems way too technical for people like me and other people. I'm not going to lie about it. It is what it is. Unfortunately for me, I prefer projects that have more of an end user type product, something that people can actually use, or something that people can actually use in the modern world. So, Rather than this, Cosmos seems more like it's for developers, which, I'm sure it's a great project. It's just, it's for developers, and those are the people that are going to understand what Cosmos is all about to a more deeper understanding. So, all right, guys. Now that we've got a, baseline idea of what Cosmos is all about, let me know if you guys have any other questions about the project. I mean, I'm obviously no expert, but I'll do some more research if I have to and do my best to explain. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you'd like to learn more about any more of these crypto projects with me in the future, then feel free to check out the Altcoin education playlist that's linked in the pinned comment below this video. And with that said, you guys, thanks for watching and learning with me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.